In this lecture, we'll be learning about classification of cost, one of the most important topics in cost accounting. You'll see how costs are grouped based on their nature, function, behavior, and time. Let's get started. Cost classification means dividing costs into meaningful groups for easy analysis and control. In simple terms, it's about putting similar costs together, like grouping all materials, all wages, or all overheads. The first method is classification by nature or element. Here, costs are divided into three main elements. 1. Material cost, the cost of raw materials. 2. Labor cost, wages and salaries. 3. Expenses or overheads, indirect costs like rent, fuel, or electricity. Next is classification by function. Every organization performs different functions, and each has its own cost. These include production cost, cost incurred in making goods; administration cost, office and management expenses; selling and distribution cost; marketing, delivery, and advertising expenses. Another common classification is by behavior, which means how a cost reacts to changes in activity level. We have fixed costs, do not change with production volume. Example, building. Variable costs, change directly with activity. Example, raw materials. Semi-variable costs, partly fixed and partly variable. Example, electricity. Costs can also be classified by time, whether they relate to the past, present, or future. Historical costs, already incurred. Predetermined costs, estimated for future activities like budgets or standards. Costs can also be controllable or uncontrollable. A controllable cost can be influenced by a manager, for example, direct materials. An uncontrollable cost cannot easily be changed by management, like depreciation or rent. Let's take a quick example. In a biscuit factory, the cost of flour is a direct material cost by nature. The manager's salary is an administration cost by function. The delivery van fuel is a variable cost by behavior. The office rent is a fixed, uncontrollable cost. In summary, costs can be classified by nature, function, behavior, time, or controllability. Classification helps managers analyze, control, and plan business operations effectively. If this lecture helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.